gonna be a short one this week. Only did like 2 trades. Overall made some money, about 100 $130 percentage wise. I'm up about 9%. And yeah, 2 trades. A quick fast video. It's gonna be, one trade was on Thursday, the second one was on Friday. Made money on the first one, the one you see on the screen. I'm going to show you the exact trade. I forgot to take the screenshot that same day, so you're not gonna see the you're not gonna see the you're not gonna see the exact entry and exit, but what I did get in pre-market after this huge huge spike, previous day spike on TDIC. After this sideways price action, so I get in and out quickly. Basically on pre-market, on the fear of market open spike or something like that. Well, it ended up to be wrong. Even though I made like $300 on the trade, I left so much on the table. You can see this whole move right here. Maybe I wouldn't wait this long, but you can see right here, I ended up selling at 21. 21 is about here, and it did go all the way to 16. So yeah, left some money on the table on this one for sure. Definitely something to take into consideration for the next short. And then QUCY, I was short right here, right before this huge spike, risking the previous day, not even the highs, right? I was basically risking this level right here, because it did as you can see, it did reach 3. So I was basically risking 3 at this time. It did reach 3, then it had the drop, then it came back, then it had the fake breakout, it came back, so I added to the position, and then as soon as it broke 3, I was out at like 304, 302 about, and it ended up to be right, because it did go higher and higher and higher, from 3 all the way to 5, basically $2 a share. This would have been a huge loss if I didn't cut it right away. To be exactly, this would have been like a $4,000 loss. I mean, if I did let it run all the way up, of course, I would have not do that, but or maybe I would. I don't think I would, because I do get out fast usually. The problems I usually have is I get out and the stock gets choppy, I get in and then it would break again. Let's say if we would take this part right here, I'll get in here, then the stock would go pass it, I would cut losses, then it would come back again. I'm like, all right, maybe it's time to get in for another short, and it would break out, and this usually is where I lose money. Not not this, not this. I usually don't really chase on a straight up chart, but sometimes I guess sometimes I do. Maybe I don't. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check all my data on that. But yeah, you can see only $170 loss, about 3%, 2.9% loss. On the other one, I made 12.4%. Great execution on this one. Not the best on the other one. Again, because I was afraid of the market open spike. Not even spike, just uncertainty. You never know what's going to happen at market open. So, especially, I do not have any. I mean, I do have the data, but I didn't look over the data to know to let it run at market on the market open, or to stay in cash. Basically, get out before the market open and maybe get in after the market open. So this is something I should look at. I am happy. It's a positive week, even though I like the last weeks. I'm like down every week. Like the previous week, I was down $70. The week before that, I was down like 800, and then I was down 900, and then I was down 200, and then I was down 400, and then okay, the first week of April I made like $400, but overall I'm down every week. So this week being up, it's not much, but it's better. I'm trading less, and I think because right on March, I said in March, the first 3 weeks of March are great, right? I had green days. If you wanna see, you can. If you wanna see my trades, the trades I took on March, you can see them in the feed in the history. Just go back. But the first 3 weeks of March were good. I did have some losses, but like out of basically I was trading every day, and out of 15 days, the first 3 weeks, right? 15 days, 15 trading days, Monday to Friday, I had only 2 red days. So out of 15, that would be 13 green days and 2 red days. So, but that was right after the war, so the market was kind of hot, and I was, I guess, lucky. And then I continued with that same mindset, trying to find trades where they were not. So yeah, I started losing money right after that, week after week, month after month. The March was, I made like $1,000, and then I started losing money. On the next month, I lost like 1,400. That's a lot. So this month, I only made what? It's like 5 trades in 3 weeks. I mean, it's about 2 weeks basically, but only 5 trades. And I'm trying to get back into the right mindset, I guess, because, like I said, I didn't really have the right mindset for the last month, losing like $1,400. Not much, but you can feel it. That's like a month of worth of rent right there. So yeah. All right, so that's it. Only 2 trades. Quick. I said it's gonna be a quick video. It kind of took longer than I expected, but yeah, this is the second week of May, and any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you are the only person watching this, Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.